It's been dubbed by the Egyptian Prime Minister as the deal that will reshape Egypt's economic fortunes in the short term.
واعتقد هذا هو الرقم الأضخم كاستثمارات أجنبية مباشرة.
This is by far the largest foreign direct investment to enter Egypt in any time, year or date in Egypt's history. It will guarantee further influx of investments throughout the project's different stages and will help Egypt overcome its current economic crisis.
The project is to build Ras Al Hikma city, 350 kilometers northwest of Cairo on the Mediterranean Sea coast. The area developed will be 170 million square meters. Egypt will retain a 35% share in the project, while total investments will be about $150 billion. Construction work is to begin in 2025. Egypt will only give the land, while all infrastructure and construction work will be by the ADQ-led consortium. It will be a fully integrated city with schools, hospitals, universities, a free zone and international airport, as well as several high-end tourist resorts on the coastline.
This is going to solve two major problems in the Egyptian economy right now. The first one is the liquidity, the USD liquidity, and it's going to help the government to solve the problem of the black market and having two prices for the USD and to inject the needed US dollars in the economy. And the second problem actually is the high rate of inflation, which is caused by the free fall which happened to the price of EGP, Egyptian pound, against the US dollar. So this is the best solution and for this crisis right now, and that's why I'm calling it a game changer.
To put things into perspective, Egypt, which is Africa's largest foreign direct investment recipient, attracts an average total of $10 billion a year. The down payment from this project alone is $35 billion. This deal hugely boosts Egypt's privatization strategy that has been slowly picking steam in the last year.
The government has lately been adopting a new open economic policy that aims at partially or fully exiting from some sectors and providing incentives to encourage more private sector involvement in the economy and facilitate the influx of foreign investments.
The impact of the signing was so strong that the US dollar dropped by nearly 15% against the Egyptian pound in the black market, and experts say it has been timely.
I think that's going to be used in two major things. The first thing is to solve the backlog problem, and it's estimated by about $7 billion US dollars. And the second thing is going to fulfill the financial gap, which is estimated by, I think, it's about $12 billion US dollars. So now you are going to have the needed US dollar liquidity from foreign direct investments, not a new debt, not selling assets.
This might not be all. The Prime Minister says he expects more dollar revenues soon from selling state-owned assets, as well as an imminent IMF loan agreement that could reach $10 billion. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo, Egypt.